Are you worried that AI will replace you as a creative? Or you've been intrigued and interested by the world of AI, but as soon as you start looking into it, it feels quite overwhelming as you don't really know where and how to start? These are some of the reasons why I really wanted to create this class. This class is not going to be a learn from me, but more a learn with me, as I'm still learning and navigating this ever-changing world of AI, and I am by no means an AI expert. So I just wanted to take you along and show you what I've learned so far and what are some of the things that you can achieve with AI. These are some of the images that you'll be able to generate by the end of this class. We'll create this Dreamy Dropper image from scratch in Midjourney using text-based prompts, and we will then integrate our design in Photoshop. We'll also create another image where we'll use product photography to showcase our packaging design, and we'll enhance it using Adobe Firefly, Photoshop's AI, adding elements such as bubbles and foam. Hi, my name is Beatrice Menis. I'm a branding and packaging designer. I love helping product-based businesses bring their visions to life through branding and packaging, whether I'm working with small businesses or entrepreneurs, or freelancing for international agencies. I love experimenting with new softwares. I'm usually one of those people that has to download the latest Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop update as soon as it comes out, which is why I've been dabbling with AI, as I've been really curious to see how it can help me in my creative workflow and process, especially when it comes to packaging design and product photography, as I haven't seen a lot of that out there yet. In today's class, we'll touch on different AI tools and how they can be used at different stages of the design process. We will of course keep a focus on packaging design and product photography scenes. So these are some of the cases where I've used AI so far. For example, at the very beginning of a new project proposal, if I'm working on design proposals and I want to help the client envision this brand role we're creating for their product, that's one way I've been using supporting images using AI. Or at the very end of the project, a lot of the times you finish a project and either you or the client might not have the time or the budget to hire a photographer and have a proper photo shoot. So I've been working with AI in combination with Photoshop to create my own photography scenes. And last but not least, creating supporting images just for social media. It just helped and took a lot of pressure off showing up constantly, and it's made my life so much easier. We'll kick off with Midjourney and Discord. I'll walk you through what they are, how they look like, and the basics of how they work. We'll then explore a couple of different methods of image creation, learning how to create our own Discord channel and how to write successful prompts. We'll also touch on features like Describe and Imagine with image references. Once we're happy with our images, we'll take them into Photoshop, where we will import our packaging designs either as mockups or as photography, and seamlessly integrate them into our AI-generated compositions. Here we'll also use some of the Photoshop integrated AI, Adobe Firefly, which is very handy, and we'll learn how to add or remove elements with generative fill to enhance our image even further. My aim for this class is to constantly update it with new lessons and new content, as there's a lot of new tools and new updates happening in the AI world. So make sure you keep an eye on the class and when new lessons will be added. This class is perfect for designers at any level with a basic knowledge of Photoshop and Illustrator, designers who are curious about new technologies and tools for their workflow, and for those who want to level up and experiment with their image creation. So let's get into it and start learning together.